Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. I'm thrilled to have you here today because we are diving into a topic that many of you have asked before. That's how to make money if you have only a desktop PC and some internet connection. Yes, you heard it right. With just these basic tools, you can unlock a world of opportunities to earn some extra cash or even build a sustainable online income. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. So our first segment is all about freelancing. So if you have a particular skill or expertise, freelancing platforms can be your gateway to success. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr allow you to offer your services to clients from all around the world. So whether you are a graphic designer, a writer, a programmer, or a translator, there is a demand for your skills out there. So all you have to do is just identify your strengths, create a captivating profile, showcase your portfolio, and then start bidding on projects that match your abilities. In fact, freelancing can be a very fantastic way to monetize your talents and build a solid client base. Maybe on a side note, we talk a lot about freelancing in this channel. So if you have any questions or you want to find more videos, I'll leave some of them in the description below. The next thing, of course, the world of content creation. Do you have a passion for writing, photography, or videography? Why not share your creativity with the world and make money while doing it? Platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and even blogging websites provide opportunities to earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, and of course affiliate marketing. Consistently creating high quality content, engaging with your audience, and of course finding your niche are key to building a loyal following and generating income through this channel. Remember, when it comes to content creation, all you have to do is just pick the right niche and then build a loyal following. Let's talk about a relatively easy way to make money online with just your desktop PC and an internet connection. That is participating in online surveys and market research. You see, numerous websites such as Swagbucks, Toluna, and all those others offer paid surveys and research studies that allow you to share your opinion and insights in exchange for cash, gift cards, or other rewards. Now, while this method may not make you rich overnight, it can be an excellent way to earn a little extra money during your downtime. In fact, there's this video I uploaded recently showing you how I redeemed my Swagbucks points for PayPal cash. You can go watch it after this video. Now let's talk about leveraging your knowledge and expertise through online tutoring and courses. See, if you have a knack for teaching or possess specialized knowledge in a particular field, platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare allow you to create and sell online courses to eager learners. Additionally, you can offer one-on-one tutoring session through websites like tutor.com and PIPK. So sharing your skills and helping others learn not only provides a sense of fulfillment, but can also be a really profitable endeavor. So all you have to do is look at the skills and expertise and knowledge that you already have, and then think of a way that you can you can teach other people and make money in the process. Last but not least, let's explore the world of e-commerce and dropshipping. Now, thanks to the power of the internet, starting an online store has become more accessible than ever before. Platforms like Jumia, Shopify, and WooCommerce offer a user-friendly interfaces, to help you set up your virtual shop with ease. Inside these platforms, you can sell physical products, digital downloads, or even become a dropshipper where you partner with the suppliers to sell their products without having to handle inventory. That's dropshipping in a nutshell. Now, with a bit of research, marketing savvy, and education, you can turn this your e-commerce venture into a profitable business. Again, if you want to learn more about how to start a Jumia, how to start dropshipping on Jumia, I'll leave a link in the description to a video and also to an article that I published on my website. And there you have it. 5 fantastic ways to make money using just your desktop PC and internet connection. Whether you choose freelancing, content creation, online surveys, tutoring, or e-commerce, the opportunities are really endless. Remember, success won't come overnight, but persistence, dedication, and willingness to learn, you can achieve your financial goals. And before we wrap it up, I'd like to ask you for a small favor. If you found this video helpful and you want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting that notification bell. You see, by subscribing, you'll never miss out on any of our informative videos. And thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep hustling.